Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making an easy and super delicious fried egg sandwich with eggs, spinach, onion, cheese and crispy toasted bread. It's quick, filling and perfect for breakfast or brunch. Let's get cooking. First, let's chop one onion. We need around 1 cup of onion. You can use red onion or white onions. Then transfer it to a bowl. Then chop spinach. Add it to a bowl. Green chilies, it's optional and according to your taste. Crack 5 to 6 eggs into the bowl. I like more vegetables, so I have added only 5 eggs. If you like more egg, you can add 6 eggs. Add salt and pepper powder. Now whisk everything really well until the eggs and vegetables are fully combined. This mixture is packed with flavor and color. Heat a pan on medium flame and add a little oil or butter. Pour the egg mixture into the pan evenly. Now place bread slices directly on top of the eggs. Let it cook for a minute until the bottom starts settling. Carefully flip everything over. Once flipped, add cheese on top. This already smells amazing. Now fold the bread closed like a sandwich. Toast both sides until the bread turns golden brown and crispy. Transfer the sandwich onto a plate. If you want, you can add avocado. Now, fresh tomatoes. Lettuce for extra freshness and texture. Now drizzle some chili oil on top for a spicy kick. Finally, cut the sandwich into half. Look at that cheesy, fluffy egg filling. If you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below if you try this sandwich or what topping would you add. Thanks for watching.